Hello everyone and welcome back to Bliss Universal. If you are someone who is dreaming of working abroad, maybe in the Gulf, Europe, Canada or the US, then this video will be extremely helpful for you. Because today we are going to talk about the top 10 countries hiring foreign workers in 2025. Countries that are officially opening their doors to international employees, offering better salaries, long-term work visas and sometimes even permanent residency options. I have personally spent a lot of time researching this list from official sources, government websites, and global job data. So the information you'll get here is 100% practical and reliable. And remember, it doesn't matter whether you are a skilled worker, a fresher, or a professional. Every country I'm going to mention has opportunities for people like you. So make sure you watch this video till the very end because number 1 is on this list might surprise you and it could be the country where your future begins. So, number 10 is Japan. Let's start with Japan, a country known for its discipline, technology and safety. For many years, Japan had strict rules about foreign employment, but now, because of their aging population and shrinking workforce, Japan is actively inviting foreign workers under their specific skilled worker visa, also called as SSW. In 2025, Japan is planning to hire more than 8 lakh foreign workers in industries like construction, agriculture, nursing care, hospitality, manufacturing and factory work. Now the best thing is, you don't need a big educational degree. If you have little technical skills and you can pass a basic Japanese language test, you are eligible to go to Japan. Average salaries range between 1.5 to 3 lakh Indian rupees per month depending on your field. And once you complete a few years of work, you can even upgrade your visa for longer stay or permanent settlement. Japan is safe, clean and very respectful towards foreign workers. So if you're looking for a well-disciplined country with long-term opportunities, Japan is a very smart choice. Our number 9 for today is Germany, the powerhouse of Europe. Germany is facing one of the biggest labor shortages in Europe, around 2 million open jobs right now. That's why they have launched a new immigration system under the Skilled Worker Immigration Act, which makes it easier for foreigners to work and live in Germany. They are hiring in fields like mechanical and electrical engineering, healthcare and nursing, IT and software, logistics, hotel and restaurant industry. If you have experience or vocational training in any of these fields, you can apply for a German work visa or EU Blue Card. Average monthly salary is 2,500 to 4,000. And if you stay and work for a few years, you can apply for permanent residency, PR. Germany also provides family visa options, meaning your spouse and kids can move with you. So if you are aiming for a stable life in Europe with long-term benefits, Germany should definitely be on your list. Now let's talk about Saudi Arabia, a country that has completely transformed in the last few years. With its Vision 2030 project, Saudi is investing heavily in new cities, tourism, oil and gas and technology. That means more foreign workers are needed than ever before. In 2025, the demand is huge in construction, maintenance and mechanical work, hospitality and hotel management, medical and healthcare sector, logistics and transportation. Salaries start around 2000 Saudi Riyal for general workers and goes up to 10,000 Saudi Riyals or more for skilled professionals. The biggest advantage is zero income tax, which means more savings for you. And with modern cities like Riyadh and Neom developing, Saudi is becoming one of the most promising Gulf countries to work in. Our number 7 for today is Canada. Canada continues to be a dream destination for people who want both a good job and a better quality of life. In 2025, the Canadian government plans to welcome over 500,000 new immigrants, mainly through its express entry and provincial nominee programs. Job demand is strong in healthcare, that is nurses, caregivers, support staff, skilled trades, that is electricians, welder, plumbers, truck drivers and logistics, construction workers, food service and IT. Average salary range around 3,000 Canadian currency to 6,000 per month. One great thing about Canada is it values experience and hard work. If you start on a temporary work permit, you can later apply for permanent residency PR and eventually citizenship. So Canada isn't just a workplace, it's a country where you can actually build your future permanently. Our number 6 comes for Qatar. Even after hosting the FIFA World Cup, Qatar is still rapidly expanding its infrastructure. Our number 6 for today is Qatar. Even after hosting the FIFA World Cup, Qatar is still rapidly expanding. Its infrastructure, healthcare, oil and gas, and hospitality industries are hiring thousands of new workers in 2025. Top companies like Qatar Energy, Hamad Medical Corporation, Al Futtaim, and Hilton Hotels are actively recruiting foreign professionals and skilled workers. Average salaries range from 2000 Qatari Riyal for helpers up to 12,000 Qatari Riyal or more for experienced technicians, engineers, and hospitality managers. Qatar also offers excellent accommodation, safety, and tax-free income. So if you are looking for a Gulf job where you can save well and live comfortably, Qatar remains a strong and reliable choice. Next is the UAE. Dubai, Abu Dhabi, Sharjah. These cities have always been magnets for job seekers worldwide. In 2025, the UAE is continuing its strong growth with new visa program like the Green Visa Professionals and the Freelancer Visa for self-employed people. Sectors hiring the most include aviation and airport services, real estate and construction, finance and banking, IT and digital marketing, hospitality and healthcare. Salary range from 3,000 AED to 15,000 AED per month depending on your field. The lifestyle is modern, transport is excellent, and yes, career growth and international exposure without worrying about language barriers. UAE remains one of the easiest places to work abroad. Our number 4 for today is UK. UK continues to face skill shortages after Brexit. That is why in 2025 the skilled worker visa program is expanding to hire more foreigners. Major sectors hiring include healthcare, that is nurses, doctors, caregivers, hotel and restaurant industry, construction, truck drivers, IT professions. Average salary goes to 2,000 to 4,000. UK also allows you to bring your family members, and after 5 years of continuous work you can apply for permanent settlement. It's a country that values work ethics, punctuality and professionalism. So if you dream of a long-term European lifestyle with global exposure, the UK is a very good option and a great option. Our number 3 for today is Australia. Australia is one of the most immigrant-friendly countries in the world. They are facing labor shortages in almost every sector, especially post-pandemic. In 2025, the Australian government is inviting foreign workers to Skill Select and Temporary Skill Shortage TSS visa. Most in-demand fields are healthcare and aged care, construction and plumbing, mechanics and electricians, agriculture and farming, IT and hospitality. Average salaries range from 3,000 to 7,000 Australian currency per month, and workers can apply for PR after 3 to 4 years of experience. The lifestyle in Australia is very relaxed. Salaries are high and the government treat migrant workers fairly. That's why it's becoming a top destination again in 2025. Our number 2nd country for today is Singapore. This country offers big opportunities. In 2025, Singapore is focusing on rebuilding its workforce in key areas like shipping and marine industry, IT and cybersecurity, hotel and hospitality, cleaning and facility management, engineering and manufacturing. They have mainly 2 work permits for foreigners. One is employment pass for professionals. Next is S pass for skilled workers. Average salaries range from 2,000 to 6,000 per month, and the living conditions are safe and modern. Singapore is also close to India and other Asian countries, so it's a practical choice for those who want to work abroad and stay near their homes. Our number 1 for today is USA, that is United States of America. The US job market in 2025 is booming again, especially for foreign talent. The major visa options are H-1B visa for skilled workers and IT professionals, EB-3 visa for semi-skilled workers, J-1 visa for trainees and interns. Top sectors hiring foreign workers are healthcare, that is nurses and caregivers, IT and software development, truck drivers, welders, mechanics, restaurant and hotel industry, construction and engineering. Average salary is 3,000 to 8,000 per month. The US offers a high standard of living, cultural diversity and countless growth opportunities. Many people also move from Gulf or Asia to the US after gaining experience abroad. So it still remains the ultimate dream for many workers worldwide. So yes friends, these were the top 10 countries hiring foreign workers in 2025. Every country I mentioned today is officially open for skilled, semi-skilled and professional workers. But remember, always apply through official websites, embassy job portals or verified recruitment agencies. Never pay to unknown agents promising direct visas. If you want to work abroad successfully, prepare your CV properly, improve your English communication and get your documents attested before applying. If this video helped you, please give it a big thumbs up, share it with your friends who are planning to go abroad, and don't forget to subscribe to Bliss Universal for more such valuable updates on Gulf jobs, abroad jobs, overseas opportunities and visa news. Until next time, stay positive, stay focused and may your dream of working abroad come soon. This is Amal from Bliss Universal signing off. Take care and thank you.